Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to solve the exercise questions of chapter 12 History class 6th, that is ancient Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. So the question number 1 is, what material was used to build the roofs of houses in Burzahom? The answer is, when it rained or snowed, people in Burzahom covered roofs of their houses and rooms by bark of trees. These trees are called burz in Kashmiri and birch in English. Number 2. Where do we get the first historical mention in Durgara? The answer is, the Durgara kingdom is mentioned in an 11th century CE. We got them on 2 copper plate inscriptions at Chamba. Number 3. Mention the names of ancient Buddhist monasteries in Ladakh. The answer is, names of ancient Buddhist monasteries in Ladakh are Hemis Monastery, Alchi Monastery, Spaituk Monastery, Thikse Monastery, and Pheang Monastery. Number 4. Mention the names of ancient women rulers of Kashmir. The answer is, as per Kalhana's Rajtarangini, 3 famous women rulers have been mentioned, and they were Yashovati of Gonda dynasty, Sugandha of Utpala dynasty, and Didda was from the Viradeva dynasty. The point has been noted. The 4th queen and the last queen who ruled Kashmir was Kota Rani. Number 5. Name the tribes that inhabited the Jammu region in ancient times. The answer is, the tribes that inhabited the Jammu region in ancient times were Brahmins, the Rajputs, the Khatris, and the Thakars. Number 6. Who was Lotsava Rinchen Zangpo? The answer is, Lotsava Rinchen Zangpo was a most respected spiritual teacher, also known as Mahaguru, and was a principal Lotsava or translator of Sanskrit Buddhist texts into Tibetan. He was a big promoter of Buddhism. Number 7. Make a list of important historical sites in Jammu, Kashmir and Ladakh. The answer is, popular historical sites and heritage places in J&K and Ladakh are Hari Parbat Fort is in Srinagar, Kashmir. Pari Mahal is in Srinagar, Kashmir. Mubarak Mandi Palace is in Jammu. Bahu Fort Palace is in Jammu. And Leh Palace is in Leh, Ladakh. Thank you.